What's up, guys? Got another video here. 2015 Dodge Charger. We're going to be doing the hood struts. Just arrived today. I'm going to check this out and see. And it's pretty straightforward. They're just clip-ons, right? So take off the old clips from the top and bottom, and then disconnect. And oh, of course, I don't have my car keys. Let me get my car keys and check back with you guys once I'm set up and ready to get these changed out. See you in a bit. So I basically set it up. Here's the old one. This is the new one. Completely no, this thing is just damaged beyond repair. Doesn't want to hold anymore whatsoever. It's kind of hard because I don't have anything to hold, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to change while doing this, so I might not get it done today, but I do want to see something. So you take this off, and that comes off. So you take the back clip off, and then that comes off. So same thing here. That just came right in. And then here we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Pop the back of this. And I'm gonna break it just because I don't need it anymore. Then you just get this nice and situated. Find a little there. I wonder if it's gonna close. It should close, but I'm not sure if it will. I might have to check the other side. We'll see right here on this one. Maybe this side will. Let's see. I wonder if that side will close. Only one way to find out, right, guys? Set my light here. I'll do it this way, that way you guys can see what's actually happening. So grab your knife, pull clip out. That was easy. And then it's pretty cool. You just insert and it locks automatically. And go ahead and take the back of this one as well, and go ahead and situate this one. Maybe lift a little. There we go. Now here's the thing, I don't know if this is going to close because it just stays in the open position, and that's kind of what's worrying me. Let's see. All right, guys, it's gonna be the make it or break it here. Yeah, it closes. It's just taking a long time. Cool. That's it, guys. Did the whole switch on the old hood latches. Get rid of those, and then, you know, enjoy my new ones. Cool. That'll be it for the 2015 Dodge Charger 5.7 Pursuit. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next.